Hi there. Let's install Java on our computer. We will install Java Development Kit, as well as the IntelliJ IDEA development environment. The Java language will not work on your computer until you download the JDK or Java Development Kit. Essentially, this is a set for Java-based development. Without this kit, you will not be able to run any program written in Java. Therefore, the first thing we do is go to Google and type JDK. Then we need to go to the official Java website. This is the oracle.com site. Here we see that the latest version of JDK is JDK 22. Now all we need to do is choose the download file depending on the operating system. And if you, like me, are using Windows, we need to select a file with the .exe extension here. After clicking, the download will start. After the file has been downloaded, we run it and see the following window. Click Next, then it will show the path where it will be downloaded. I just click Next. After that, we wait for the download to complete and click Close. After installing the JDK, all you have left to do is to install the development environment. Essentially, the development environment is a text editor in which you can write code and later run various Java projects. There are many development environments available, but in this course, we will use the most popular one, called IntelliJ IDEA. Essentially, this is a professional program in which you can write various Java projects. To download this program, you need to go to their official website. The link to it will be in the description of this video. Then you click Download, and here you need to choose one of the versions. First, select your platform, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and then choose the version. Here there is a full version, which is paid with a 30-day trial period, and also the community version. This free version will be absolutely enough for you because it has everything you need for Java project development, Android project development, projects with graphical interfaces, and so on. So, click the download button to download it. After that, you will need to install it like any other program. There is no complexity, and it installs like any other program. Now let's create our first project. To do this, we click the New Project button, and then we need to specify some settings for our project. In the first line, we can specify the name of our project, and in the line below, the path to our project. I won't change anything here, but you can specify your own. The only thing we will look at here is that we can specify the Java version. As you can see, we already have Java 22 installed here, which we recently downloaded. But also, if we expand the menu, we will see that we can click the Download JDK button, and here we can specify any version. But since we already have it, we won't change anything, and all we have to do is click the Create button. Now we see that the project has been created, and it even contains an example of code with some hints. Let's run this sample code to make sure the program is working. To do this, you can click on the green triangle at the top right. After that, we will see that some message appears at the bottom. This is the result of running our program, and it will always be displayed in the bottom panel. Also, here is a message that the project has completed with code 0. This means that our program ran without any problems. In the next lesson, we will learn how to output some information to the console. During this lesson, we installed JDK, set up the development environment to write Java code, and ran our first test program. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if so, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss new videos. Thank you all for watching. See you soon. Bye.